Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Mike O'Connor. I'm the Executive Director of Prairie State Legal Services, and welcome to our virtual celebration, Pro Bono Week 2020. Now, in normal times, you'd probably be coming to a luncheon and having chicken breast or some other mystery meat, and we'd put on a program where we'd tell you about our clients and their needs, and we'd profile a couple attorneys who've done great work. Well, we're going to do some of that this year, but we won't be able to send you home with mugs or a plaque, but I think this will be just as meaningful. So every day this week we're going to introduce you to some attorneys who are doing some great pro bono work in different forms. You'll meet corporate attorneys, busy family law practitioners, retired folks, retired judges. You'll see that pro bono can take all sorts of forms. On Wednesday we will have John Levy, who is the president of the board of directors of the Legal Services Corporation, the main federal funder for civil legal aid across the country. Mr. Levy will tell us about the work that's happening on the national level to close the justice gap. On Friday, we're very, very proud to present Illinois Supreme Court Justice Thomas Kilbride. Justice Kilbride will tell us about the work that the Illinois Supreme Court is doing on access to justice, and it's doing tremendous work, so very proud. Thank you for joining us today. I hope that you'll join us every day this week at noon. Believe it'll make it worth your while. And now I'd like to turn to introducing you to two attorneys who have done tremendous pro bono work in our local offices. I think you'll find this to be inspiring, and proud to be a lawyer. Thanks.
My name is Dory Michaels. I'm a paralegal and volunteer coordinator in the McHenry County office of Prairie State Legal Services. I'm here today to talk about Dave Ward. He's a unique individual, a very kind person, and he's been one of my most exemplary volunteers for years. He actually started with Prairie State as a volunteer for several different offices in 2009. We just looked at the past 3 years, what he's done in 2018, 2019, and 2020 so far. In that time frame, he has done 66 volunteer cases for Prairie State clients. 33 of those were for the McHenry office, and he's put in over 100 hours on those cases thus far. If you're wondering about a grand total for all offices and all cases, Dave has taken 188 cases as a volunteer. But I have to say, for Dave, it is not about the numbers. He has done many peace of mind bankruptcies for us, and I know some attorneys may feel that peace of mind bankruptcies are of limited value, or perhaps no value at all because the client is judgment proof. But when you think about it, they're not harassment proof from those people and companies they owe money to. They're not summons proof when they get called into court. They're not stress proof when they're trying to deal with a court system that they just don't understand. And they're not fear-proof as they wonder what will the outcome be of these financial problems I'm having. So by doing their bankruptcies, even though peace of mind bankruptcies, Dave takes that all away. He really does give them peace of mind. He's a man with many and varied interests. We've learned this over the years. For example, he participates in competitive archery. Yes, there is such a thing. He's interested in history, music, puns, jokes, riddles, and where to find the best frozen custard in the area. We agree, it's Julianne's. He likes to follow rivers to their beginning with his intrepid wife, Anne, and once in a while you'll see him waltzing down the hall as he's preparing to meet with a client in our office. When we did that, now he's learning how to Zoom so that he can still continue to work with our clients as needed. What can I say except that it's really been a joy. It has been a joy to work with Dave Ward, with his wife Anne, with their assistant Bev, for the many, many cases we've worked on together. Thank you, Dave. Thank you for all you do and all you have continued to do and all we hope you will do. We look forward to a long and happy association with you. Thank you again.
Hello, my name is Mary Petrucius, and I'm the Pro Bono Program Coordinator for Prairie State's West Suburban offices, covering Kane, Kendall, DuPage, and DeKalb counties. And I'm here today to present the West Suburban's Pro Bono Award to J. Brick Vandersnick, or Brick Vandersnick as he is known. Brick is the principal of the Vandersnick Law Firm, located in St. Charles and in Sycamore. And his practice concentrates in the defense of traffic, criminal, and DUI cases, and in family law, custody, and paternity matters. Brick has always been very active in community and pro bono work, representing people in our communities. He's a past member of Prairie State's Board of Directors, and he's represented indigent clients through our pro bono program for approximately 12 to 13 years. In 2000, Brick received the John McAndrews Pro Bono Award from the ISBA, and he's also a past recipient of the Kane County Bar Foundation's Pro Bono Award. Brick is one of those pro bono attorneys who actually requests that we send him cases. He never questions when he receives a family law case, whether it's uncontested or whether this is a messy case, before he accepts the referral. And although the cases that he's received in the past are predominantly family law matters, when we sent out an email requesting volunteers for criminal records relief cases, Brick was one of the very first attorneys who responded and immediately said, "Send me 5 cases." The motivation behind Brick Vandersnick's volunteer work is threefold. First, Brick truly realizes that access to legal services is a fundamental need for everyone. Secondly, he sincerely believes that lawyers have a responsibility to help make those services available to all. And thirdly, he knows in his soul, deep down in his soul, that pro bono service is the right thing to do. And now I'm going to speak to Brick directly. Brick, I know you only too well. And over the past 28 years that we have been colleagues and friends, you often become frustrated with the system and even sometimes with your clients. So I know that you don't necessarily always believe that you're of help to anyone. But there's one thing, Brick, that you must always, always remember in those moments of frustration. You make a difference. We and our clients are eternally grateful for the tremendous number of hours you give to serving others. Please never stop. Continue to keep your heart open, and you will never doubt that your service is forever appreciated. And it's with great pride and joy that Brick Vandersnick, you are the recipient of the West Suburban Pro Bono Award. Thanks so much.
Would you share your insights to help us improve our pro bono programs? We're proud of our pro bono programs, and in particular of the outstanding volunteers we're honoring this week. But there's more to do. We hope that you'll tell us what you think of our 2020-2021 volunteer involvement plan. There are 2 easy ways to help. Take a look at our plan summary and email comments to us, or take our simple online survey. There's no need to even read the plan ahead. You can find the link to the survey and to the plan summary on our website. Or you can simply email volunteer@pslegal.org and we'll send both of them to you. A generous donor has given 3 gift cards to Starbucks and Amazon as an additional incentive to take our survey. We'll be drawing the winners' names on October 30th. Take our survey by then for a chance to win. We'd love to hear from you.